So this is what I'm cooking the Jiggs dinner on today. Check out this pot. Wow. I'm excited. This is what we're doing in this nice backyard. We're in a place called Oakridge, and it's about 40 minutes from Toronto. This is the big pot I'm doing the Jiggs dinner in, and we even got the fire going because it's a little on the cool side today, but you know me, that don't bother me. Put the onion in right now. Oh, this is beautiful. It's going to be a beautiful Jiggs dinner. And I'm going to, excuse me, I got a camera guy, so I'm not talking to myself out here. So this is the peas pudding, and I'm putting that in with the salt beef.
All right.
All right, so this is the salt beef. I got 2 different buckets, as you see. And this is going to be about 2 hours, and then I'm going to start putting the vegetables in. And the rest I'm going to do another pot separately with the cottage roll. Oh, that is hot. That's starting to get going. Get the fire still going. The turnip in now. They call it rutabaga, but in Newfoundland we call it turnip. So I'm just going to drain out the water. Perfect. And of course we're going to put it in with the rest of the goodies. I love this pot. I'm going to have to get me one of these. I'm going to do the carrots now.
All right.
Pull out the water. Oh, you're hilarious. Look how beautiful that looks in there. This is going to be some good. There we go. It's getting there. Putting the potatoes in now. Here are the potatoes. And then I'm going to put the cabbage in too. There we go. That works. I'm going to wait about 10 minutes and then put the rest of it in. Alright, so the Jiggs dinner is almost done. We got a crowd waiting. I just got to check to make sure it's cooked. All done. Yep, everything's done. I just got to take everything out. Now we got to bring out the bowls and we're good to go. Okay? Sometimes I actually put holes in it and put whole garlic in it. Garlic? Perfect.
Yeah, oh wow.
So this is the cottage roll and salt beef together.
Wow.
And I'm doing this separately from the actual Jiggs dinner.
Wow, look at that. It looks so amazing. Look at that.
It is. It's quite nice,
It's
eh?
really so yummy.
Oh, wait till you taste it. You haven't tasted nothing yet.
How many?
So what am I doing now is getting the juice so I can make a gravy. Nope. Oh. That's enough juice. I got more juice up there. Burn up together.
Yum.
Ooh.
Oh, potato. You go over there now.
Oh, it smells so good.
Let me do it.
Yeah, because my glasses are fogged up. I can't see.
Do it in a
Oh,
pat.
no, not the potatoes.
Not the potatoes.
No. There's a method to my madness.
Come on, buddy, before I get fired.
Root for you. Oh, look at this, baby. Perfect, eh? Yum, yum. But, yeah, I gotta put a lot in there because the gravy is huge.
Shake it up, shake it up. Slowly stir in the cornstarch.
Yep.
The gravy. There we go. Peas pudding.
Peas pudding. Look at that.
Woo!
Beautiful. Oh, it turned out beautiful. The gravy is a bit salty, but that goes with the flow, right?
Yeah. We're real good.
Turned out perfect. Like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment.